Firstly, open Filmora and then import your photos. Now, I have imported this picture. So, now drag it to timeline for editing. Here, adjust according to your frame. And then, come to Effect section, then AI Effect, then Beauty. Here, I am using this one, Old Photo Restoration. For using this, simply drag and drop to image like this. Here, you will need AI credit for using this. Here you can track the result. Filmora makes it easy to refine your look with natural enhancements. You can slim your face, define your jawline, lift cheekbones, and subtly reshape your facial feature. All with the help of AI. You can create balanced, polished selfies that still look like you, just more confident. Filmora makes skin enhancement simple with powerful AI technology. Just upload your image on timeline and then apply any effect. And rest Filmora AI will create smooth skin, brighten your complexion, fix blemishes, and enhance your natural glow automatically. No manual editing, no stress, just flawless skin in seconds. Smooth skin in videos for an even look. Filmora helps you look your best with zero effort. Now, our video is ready. You can observe the result carefully. I am adding here the raw image, so you can justify the results so accurately. Similarly, come to Makeup section and take a snapshot from here. Then, add it to the timeline. And then, apply the effect. Now, it's ready. You may check it out. Again, I am taking another image for another effect. All steps will be similar to the previous one. So, just observe carefully. Now it's ready to export.